So in this one, again, wrestling with a touch of ink to give the drawing a more finished look. It's still Inktober, and for the life of me, I had it in the back of my mind, but at the same time, the thought of it would probably make me lose more than gain. I can't believe I finished the drawing today, when it was supposed to be released. Anyhow, the first. I wanted to, for a long time now, draw a character with a flag on their face. I want to draw a whole catalogue of characters with different flags on their bodies. Not as a form of representation or anything, I just find the idea interesting. Also, with these I only used references for the poses, not for the hair or anything else. I know you're not supposed to do drawings like that because my proportions and things will be messed up, but I don't work to realism. I make realism work to me and my standards. I did get better at drawing the sections of the hair by the end of it, and I think it's the first time I actually drew hair volumes in a video, but the point wasn't to get the hair volumes right, it was to get the characters' faces right. Another endless pursuit for power in the struggle of perfection. I barely did face drawing after the second face went wrong, but at least I drew the back of the hair, which is another thing I'm still getting down. But yeah, that's all folks. What I accomplished for today was not what I intended, but the end result came out better than I could have anticipated. My roto art is a weird one, and at some point I'll start copying from anime, and but you know, that won't be for a long time. Copying styles is kinda difficult for me, and calling a copied style that comes out wrong in my style leaves a bad taste in my mouth. So when I do style, I style to upstage and uphold, you know. So anything less than my best is in someone else's style really is something I don't mess with. Unless it's Kishimoto or the creator of Naruto's art, then I will. But for now, I bid thee a goodbye and a good night. For it is I, NoSkillBioST, wishing you a productive and prosperous Inktober. Mwah.